Well, French investigators say they have foiled a planned terror attack on several churches.
Police say they arrested a man in Paris with an arsenal of weapons. ABC's Marcy Gonzalez has the latest developments.
A close call in Paris. Authorities stopping what they say could have been another Charlie Hebdo type of massacre. A man caught by chance just as investigators say he was about to launch a terrorist attack on churches.
This individual was in contact with another person who may be in Syria, with whom he exchanged information on the arrangements for commission of an attack.
But before he could, French police say the 24-year-old suspect accidentally shot himself Sunday. They claim he called for help, and when police arrived, they followed a trail of blood back to his car. There and in his apartment, they reportedly found combat weapons, ammunition, a bulletproof vest, as well as documents about Al-Qaeda and ISIS, and an outline of his plan. The suspect, an Algerian computer science student, was already on a terror watch list because he allegedly wanted to go to Syria.
Much like the Boston Marathon bombers, on law enforcement's radar screen, but not to the level that would justify any sort of ongoing surveillance.
Before he was caught, police say he did take one life, shooting this 32-year-old mother to death, choosing her at random, they say, because he wanted to steal her car. And the suspect's name has not been released. We're told he is not cooperating with investigators who are still trying to track down any potential co-conspirators. Marcy Gonzalez, ABC 7 News.